Hi guys, welcome back to Slow Fashion Mom. I'm Rachel and today I'll be showing you what I wore on a recent vacation. My family and I just returned from 1 week on a beach vacation. We packed really light, taking one suitcase for all of us. I will link that video in the cards. I basically wore my swimsuit the whole time with a cover-up. I did get dressed for dinner and then I rotated between two dresses, a skirt and a top, and a pair of shorts and a button-up. So here's what I wore. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.